Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we will make a review. o- So let's start. Activity 1. Look at the family tree and complete the sentences. Number 1 is an example. 1. Anne is Jane's mother. Martha is Robert's brother. Steve is Martin's grandfather. Dave is Lisa's son. Jane is Dave's daughter. Jane is Robert's sister. Martin, Robert, and Jane are Anne's children. Let's move. Activity 2. Complete with the right question from the box. Question 1. What time is it, please? Question 2. How many children have you got? Question 3. Do you like football? Question 4. What's your name? Question 5. How old are you? Question 6. What time is the film? For the first one, the right answer is the question 5. How old are you? I'm 12. For 2, the right question is 6. What time is the film? At 5 o'clock. For 3, the right question is 4. What's your name? My name is Dora. For 4, the right answer is question 2. How many children have you got? I've got one son and one daughter. For 5, the right question is 1. What time is it, please? It's 4:30. And for 6, the right question is 3. Do you like football? It's my favorite sport. Activity 3. Complete dialogue. Hello, I'm Amin. Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Pleased to meet you too. Are you in my class? Yes, I am. Have you got friends at this school? No, I haven't. Activity 4. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Goes, like, has, doesn't, at, is, dress up, has, in, enjoys, eats, has got, at, in, read, is, takes. Let's read. Miss Williams usually gets up at 6:30 a.m. She enjoys breakfast, then dresses up. She has got the bus to school. Miss Williams is an English teacher. She's nice. Her pupils like her. Miss Williams doesn't go home in midday. She eats at school. She goes home at 5 o'clock in afternoon. At the evening, she takes dinner, watches TV, and reads newspaper. Activity 6. Circle the correct word. Karim is my friend. The right answer is second, friend. We write it Friend. He is 15 years old. The right answer is the second. We write 15 Fefteen. His favorite pastime is tennis. The right answer is the second one. Favorite Favourite. He likes listening. Right answer is the first one. Write it Listening. To music too. He always plays the guitar in the afternoon. The right one is second. Always. We write it Laways. Activity 7. Reorder the letters to form words. Mr. Larson is a teacher. Her pupils are little children in a primary school. Let's remember personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Articles. N plus vowel and A plus consonant. Example: an activity, a sport. Demonstrative. This is for singular and these for plural. For example, this is a flower, this is a TV set, this is our books. WH question. We use what for object? What is this? This is a blackboard. We use how old for age. How old are you, Ines? I'm 4 years old. What time? It's for time. Example: what time is it, please? It's 10 past 10. How many? We use it for number. How many brothers and sisters have you got? I've got one sister only. Possession. We use with I, you, we, and they have got. And with he, she, it has got. Example: I've got a very nice sister. Simple present. For verb to be, for the affirmative form, we write subject plus am, are, or is. For negative, subject plus I am, is plus not, and are plus not. That means negative form is the affirmative form plus not. And the interrogative form is am or is or are plus subject plus the interrogative mark. For have got, for the affirmative form, we write subject plus have or has plus got. For negative, we write subject plus haven't or hasn't got. For the interrogative form, we write have or has plus subject plus got plus the interrogative mark. Other verbs. Subject. For the affirmative, we write subject plus verb for I, we, and they. And for he, she, and it, we write the verb plus s. Negative form. Subject plus do not or don't, or does not or doesn't plus the verb. For interrogative form, we write do or does plus subject plus verb plus interrogative mark. Examples: I am a pupil, but she's a teacher. He has got brothers, but I haven't. Does she like football? No, she doesn't. Functions. Introducing oneself. Hello, my name is Tina. I'm African. Introducing others. This is Mr. Jones. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. Greeting. Hello. Hi. Expressing likes. They love Disneyland. I like music and ice cream. Football is my favorite sport. He enjoys video games. Pronunciation. Bus. Sun. Does. Sing. This. It. Got. Hobby. Not. Bad. Friend. 7. Sing. Morning. Evening. Watch. Children. Teacher. Name. Game. 8. 5. My. Like. Old. Homework. Hello. Farmer. Past. 2. To. School. Ball. Draw. Your. That's it. That was our review. Hope see you next time.